Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this on Facebook. A couple people have answered it, but not 100% the best way to do it. You can sure enough go Control K and then Control K, and then take this font, go up to your text editor and change it to a capital C, but look what it does to the word. It doesn't put the C where it belongs. And you can fix that. So there's two other ways to do this. One is just take your text tool and highlight the C and go to text and change the case to uppercase. And then it actually moves the other letters like it should be. The other way to fix it, let me back up here, would be to just take your shape tool, click on that one dot for that C, and then you're identifying that letter, and then go change case and hit uppercase. It'll spread that out. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.